Do you want your child to learn faster? You have to take that pressure off their shoulders. So the brain science says stress definitely is going to shut down your retention, right? If your child is stressed out, but fun opens it up. So what you could do if your child's feeling stress is swap one regular drill for something that's silly, music-based, a music movement-based activity, and see what happens. You may just get yourself back on track. So I'd like to invite you for the talk on tools on how to get yourself and your expectations calm, because we all learn differently and our children may learn completely different way than we do. So Saturday at my Facebook Live Creative Literacy Community, 1 p.m. Eastern, we're going to talk a little bit about tools and techniques on how to change your mindset. I'll see you there.